going on a boat, but we just checked into our hotel from our Airbnb to a hotel. And now we're on like the Hilton Beach area. Look at how beautiful this is. I'm so excited. We're gonna be here for what? 2 days? So it's basically hotel, pool, ocean, beach. We're set. Like, that's all you need. It's so pretty. And it's not crowded at all. Today is Sunday, and tomorrow it won't be crowded either. Like, I'm so happy. This is so cool. It's so pretty. And there's ships out there. And then there's boats over there too. And then there's a yacht. Beautiful. I love it.
They built them on the bay, and there's a lot of folklore, a lot of legend with these homes. Throughout the trip, I'll share more of the history and more of the legend of these homes. Okay. But these are we call them Stiltsville. We call this area Stiltsville. Stiltsville. Yeah. And this is by far the nicest house.
What do they do when like hard storms come?
Oh, when hurricanes come, these homes are well built. They've been able to withstand. They've been here at least, I don't know, a long time.
Be careful with your phone, though.
Very important to the ecosystem.
Oh Lord. Okay, I will take from you guys. I'm not playing with you.
Oh, it looks just so close.
They're probably way deeper than we perceived them to be, right?
Yes. So the water's so clear that it feels like there's a foot, but there's not. It might easily be 4 to 5 feet under the boat. Patiently, and you'll start to see. Do you guys see all the white little looks like sediment in the water column?
Yeah.
That's actually living organisms.
Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's like a soup. But all that's in the very infantile stage. If you look at it carefully, you actually see it moving. You actually see those white little particles dancing around. That's how you know it's living.
Oh. Okay.
And there's an urchin in there that Inca caught.
You'll find baby shrimp. I know you guys caught some small shrimp. I saw them.
I saw them.
Yeah, very small little shrimp.
And then she caught
An urchin.
Yes.
What's up?
Would anybody like to feel what it's like to grab an urchin? It's really
I do.
cool.
Is it hurt?
No, at all. What it's gonna do is you're gonna have to you put your hand in the bucket.
Already recording.
Do you have sunblock on your hand?
I don't know if I do anymore.
If you do, if you were in the water, maybe just try to rub it off because sunblock isn't good for the organisms. And then what you're gonna do is literally you're gonna I'm gonna grab it first. I'm gonna clean my hand. Let me use, literally you gotta put your hand inside of it, and you wanna leave your hand in there. And you're gonna see how slowly but surely it starts to hold on to you. Okay?
Oh no.
It's really cool. It feels really cool. Who wants to try it first?
I do.
Okay, put your hand in, and I'll hand them over. But you gotta put your hand deep in. There you go. And now just hold on patiently, and you'll see. You'll start, I shouldn't say
It's moving.
You'll start to feel.
Seriously?
It's moving.
I can see its little spikes just like
flexing.
Wow. Who wants to do next? I do. Wait. Do I reach under her?
Under
hand?
me.
Yeah.
And I'll put
then
it in
she'll
your
hand it off
hands.
to you.
Oh my god, am I gonna freak out?
Slowly, slowly, slowly. No, it's a gentle.
Put your hands down.
You gotta cradle it. Yeah. Like a
There you go.
Yeah,
Baseball.
Like a softball. Like
Yeah.
onto a baseball or softball. And then just be patient. You'll feel it start to grab onto your hand.
If you get a camera, please send it to me.
Ṣáwọn tó nílé ló ní àbò kan.
No, mi ló wà lọ́wọ́.
Báwo lọ ṣe ní
I wonder where it went.
ó ti lọ àwọn tó ti máa jáde. Tó fẹ́ kí wa.
Is that one of oh no, no, it's not.
Ó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ tí ò bá fẹ́ kí wa.
You know, a term we have for manatee is sea cow.
Mm-hmm.
Call them sea cow. Here's one right over here. Right over here. Right to your right. Whenever you see it, it dove down.
I see it right
You
there.
see the cloud.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're out today.
Just come out. Let me see your pretty face.
Go mama.
Today's another beautiful day. We're gonna go bike riding. So we're gonna download the app and everything. And then there's a bike entrance exit that way. We're gonna go riding along the beach.